welcome back to my main channel. I know this is a vlog style video. It's about to be a challenge that a lot of you guys have been requesting so much. It's trending. Letting the person in front of me, or us in this case, decide what we eat. Should be exciting because guess what?
Walking edition.
Yes, we put a twist on it. We, instead of driving in, which is what everybody's been doing in, we're gonna make it much cringier and more uncomfortable and just so challenging, because that's just not me. And in Jamaica we're in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Like the stairs, books.
Oh, sure, eat for
like where I might get come from, you know, it's gonna be like really uncomfortable. I can just imagine it already. But today is the day that I step outside of my comfort zone again, like the last video. First, we're going to go to Starbucks here in Jamaica. We're going to go to the New Kingston branch and we're gonna walk in with the camera. You know,
have what the person before me ordered.
Yeah, that's you guys know how it go already. But
and if them want first, I say, Mom, we cannot do that.
Yeah.
But I have to go to the person and say, hey, what's your order?
Yeah, guys, we're about to see how this goes. And Divinity suggested, I got so much suggestions, by the way, shout out to everybody. Divinity suggested a very lit idea. I think it's another trending thing here on YouTube right now, but funny thing is I haven't seen a lot of it. Stay tuned for that one, because that is going to require us to really step out and go places and buy stuff and do things. So
if you want that video, get this video, get it to 2,000 likes if you want.
Yeah, so anyways, without further ado,
let's get into the video.
You afraid?
I get nervous.
You're nervous? Guys, we're inside Starbucks.
Hi.
First she was like she would not be nervous, no. Hi. I like to order what they just got. What they just got.
The exact same.
The lighting keep on changing, guys. You did keep it on control over what is people in. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Is what they got and what we had to get. So, and this is in Jamaica dollars, by the way, so don't be freaked out. They had no problems with us taking the other people order. Cafe, so I got hot cafe Americano, and we got lemon pound cake. That's what the person in front of us ordered. So this is the lemon cake.
They guys, let us judge you because
yes,
yeah,
because
she was asking if we were vlogging about the people in front of us.
yeah. Guys, this is so awkward. It's very nerve-wracking. Anyways, so I'm going to try this. So this is the cafe We're not big on coffee, and we're not eating nothing from man people, so this is pretty good.
Lemon pound cake.
It's sweet. So this is all we got, guys. Luckily it was 2 persons, because if it was just one, we'd just have to share one coffee. Yeah, for people.
Yours tastes good? It was the one I get this.
You never sweeten it. Mine is much more flavorful. This is bad. This when in competition time, like when I'm going to compete, the black coffee alone really helps to dry out my system and make my pop.
Just really good. Everything
Didn't go well for me. Okay, we should go to Popeyes. So our next place is Popeyes. I feel like it's more of a challenge to actually get up and not go through drive-thru and walk into the actual base. It's way more challenging and uncomfortable, trust me. How would you rate our first stop? Out of 5? Out of 5, out of 10? Yeah. 4? 4? Oh well, yeah. This can't fool nobody belly. So first up,
I'm hungry and
you're still hungry. Me too. Kinda noisy, so we'll see guys in the next clip. Next up, Popeyes. There's a group of 4 people. 4 people. Let's see what my appetite is. See, I'm not that hungry right now. The group of 4 just came out. I don't know what happened, so now it's one lady in front of us. So I forgot order what she ordered. I'm looking, nobody really want for order what them gonna order because it's too much of them. But now I'm kind of nervous because now it's probably going to be a small amount of food. Not enough, you know. Afternoon, can I have what she just ordered? Can I have what she just ordered? The lady in front of me. It's kind of awkward.
yeah, only got 1 drink.
So we get our 3-piece. This is what we got, a 3-piece. Oh, this is seasoned fries. Popeyes is not the same. That's why we've been living at KFC from the other day.
Still not go full belly.
Where we're going after this? You want to go Burger King? Burger King? I'm not a fan of the Popeyes right now. I don't know. It seems like they're going through a phase. And the flavor is just kind of off. You know, usually we love Popeyes. Like, love Popeyes. More than KFC. Something off with the flavoring. With the seasoning, I'm not sure what. I hate the whole paper straw rule. Like, they don't use plastic straws anymore. It changes the flavor of the drink. It is pretty much like a cheat day for me, guys. Like, cheat meals. Because all these stuff that I wouldn't eat on a daily, I'm eating today. So let's see what is in store for us at the next restaurant. So we're inside Burger King now. I have one meal in front of us, so we're hoping that he doesn't order anything at all. Shami, your belly, how is it? How
I am 3/4 full.
Same. I could literally not eat anything else, and we're going to
for the next 3 hours. Honestly, right now.
yeah. Our meals so far were like an hour apart. This is so creepy. It's like following people around to find out what they're eating. Hi, good afternoon. Can I have exactly what he ordered? The person in front of me. Exactly what he ordered. Yeah. Alright. We got 1 burger. 1 burger. Oh, I gotta oh, the guy is yeah. Like a girlfriend and a boyfriend. They're laughing. Then they're over as well. Let's see what you have.
Oh, it looks like we're broke.
This is the most what would you say, public challenge we've done to date
Ever.
Yeah, she don't like tomato in the stuff.
At least in America or Canada.
But it tastes good with it in there. We have one more place to go after this. Honestly, I'm not that hungry, but this is not bad. It's better than the oily chicken we just had. So I'm grateful for it. Starbucks, they were very pleasant, but the other two.
Someone said, can I get the what you just had? Oh, which one? Alright. But that's not what I have to cut my juice. That's why I can't do this.
You must learn with my food. You must learn for sure.
Right, because I don't know why I have to cut my juice.
Like an hour or two from now, we'll come back and do our final place. The final place to eat today, Devon House. This is a branch. So, alright, I'd like exactly what last person ordered. Exactly what you ordered. Yeah.
What flavor ice cream she got?
She got a stout.
Thank you, Jesus. God is goodie.
Black forest cake. She got a black forest cake. You're welcome.
How much is it?
Alright. She got one something that you have used. 120.
Am I on this?
No. So our final order of the day. This is it. A slice of black forest cake and some ice cream. We're done for the day. It wasn't for 24 hours, but what time we left? Yeah, around 1 o'clock. And then now it's after 6:25 p.m. so we were out there for say 6 hours. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. We had 4 different stuff. I wouldn't say completed meals. I'd say like 2, not 1. None of them was really complete. Jeez.
We never win. Nobody never ordered 2 things.
Yeah, it was a fail.
Yes, Starbucks the lady ordered 2 things.
Yeah, it was actually, but it wasn't a meal. Popeyes, we did not enjoy the Popeyes. It was a fail. It was a fail. And then for me, the coffee that I got at Starbucks was okay. For Shami, she did not like it. Burger King was pretty cool, but by that time I couldn't even manage the half of the burger that I had. And then now we had ice cream and cake, and I really couldn't manage a whole ice cream for myself. Or yes, I want more, but I'm just saying the way we did it was pretty fun. Hope you guys could appreciate that or can appreciate that. Let me know what you guys think about us walking in instead of driving. Your belly's still not full though. But yeah guys, that's it. Pretty different type of video, different setting for my main channel, but you know, I hope you guys liked it. You requested it a lot and here it is. So just stay tuned for the rest of the challenges. Go ahead and keep on dropping challenge or video suggestions in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.